Welcome back. We're on the patio. Angie Horkan is here.
It's beautiful.
Greg is here. We've got to be outside.
It's beautiful.
The grill's going.
The grill is going.
And it's Hamburger Month.
It is. It's National Burger Month and May Beef Month. So, of course, I'm going to talk burgers all month.
Oh, it's beef month.
May Beef Month, and it is National Hamburger Month.
Okay, there we go.
But Beef Month is kind of a state thing. They don't have a National Beef Month, so
Well, we have our own. What are we making here?
Every month is Beef Month in
Let's
Wisconsin,
quit fighting and
right?
let's cook.
Quit arguing. Okay, so I've got two different burger recipes. So I've got a Greek burger recipe and I've got a Thai burger recipe. And both these kind of have ingredients. I added a lot of flavors into the burger patty. So, and I started with ground sirloin because it was on sale. But you can definitely use ground beef, ground chuck. It's perfect for grilling outside because you want that
Ground beef
extra
gives it a little
juiciness.
extra, a little more juicy,
yes.
right? You
You want to make sure you have enough fat content in your burger. So if you're gonna like splurge and buy really lean ground rounds, like the 96.4, 95.5, you might want to add an egg and a quarter cup of breadcrumbs.
Oh, really?
Just so to act as a little fat and a little binder. But this is a really nice ground beef.
And you seasoned it?
So I put in some green onions into this one, and what else did I put? Some ground ginger, some hot chili sauce, and then I've got it on top of some grilled zucchini and some grilled sweet onions. And then we're gonna add in, so since it's Greek, I got olive tapenades. You can usually find that right in the grocery store, like in the deli section, right? And then some non-fat Greek yogurt as a topping, and then I also had some fresh spinach. So this can go right on the bun. Then, of course, think outside the bun, you know, for your burgers for May. These are kind of just a nice brioche bun from the deli, and then the Thai burger I'm gonna have on a wheat bun.
Okay, let's go to the Thai
feta.
burger.
Okay, Thai burger. It goes on a wheat bun, toasted, and then I've got Napa cabbage in a little bit of lime juice. And a really, really fun sauce. So peanut butter, hoisin, a little bit more lime juice, and then one more ingredient, sesame oil. So a little sesame oil. Hey, it's my first burger.
We're a little rusty.
We're a little rusty, yeah. So a little sesame oil. It's my first time making them on TV this month. But it's super good. It's super good. So put that on the bun. Put the little cabbage on your burger.
All right.
And then kind of really fun, crunchy, cold, but then you got this really sweet peanut butter. It's so good.
Beeftips.com.
Beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV. You'll find all of our burgers, recipes, and links
Celebrate
to
burger.
everything you need to know about making burgers.
All right, Greg. Grilling weather, that's for sure.